Hello again. I thought I'd do a quick video today about people that are having a hard time getting past day 5. Because when you're in day 5, you're actually in an acidotic crisis where your autophagy is fixing stuff, especially getting rid of old scar tissue. It's going to be a little bit achy. Not sharp pains, but you can have dull aches and pains around the body. And I've seen this a lot in women that have had childbirth. And they have a lot of uterine pain because that's a lot of scar tissue being repaired. Usually, it's easy to probably solve and get past day 5 all the way to day 7 if you just use a hot water bottle. Fill up a hot water bottle full of hot water and sit there and snuggle up next to it, get under a cover, watch a movie, something like that. That seems to abate the pain. The heating pad is probably another way to go about this. Get yourself a heating pad and just put a heating pad on the area, turn it on and just watch a movie, read a book, and relax. These things have happened to almost anybody that's had pain in a certain area. And these aches and pains come in those specific areas. For instance, I had a shoulder injury from a bicycle accident back in college. And it was always really painful on cold days and ached and stuff. And in my first couple of dry fasts, that area hurt. Well, because it was being fixed. Now it's fixed. Doesn't hurt at all. Other places where you've fallen down, for instance, in rollerblading accidents, which are really bad things to try to heal from. It takes a while for those areas to heal, and it takes a little while for your body to address that. Fortunately, during a dry fast, your body can finally address these things. Oh, I can hear the sirens in the background. You have to address these things. So fortunately, your body has the ability to address these things when you go into a dry fast, because it's in this period of time, which is very much like an extended period of sleep while you're awake. The metabolism is the same. The autophagy is in high gear. Your body is processing old scar tissue, grinding it up, turning it back into amino acids to make into new body parts, hence the Phoenix protocol, from the ashes of the old. So don't worry too much about it. If it is a concern, you don't have to go for 7 right off the bat. You can stop at 5. You can take it easy. This is not a critical thing. This is just something that's probably good to adopt at one point so you can get to the 7 day. But if you're experiencing aches and pains and it's just too much to bear, stop dry fasting, go back to eating, and come back later and get to it. So really, this is just pretty much commonly seen in dry fasting to have these kinds of aches and pains as your body is repairing old damage, old scar tissue, old bone injuries. And not to be too weirded out about it, it's just natural. But be thankful that it's finally being fixed. And again, the Phoenix protocol in neogenesis is all about restoring metabolic functionality and being able to go on longer in a younger body. And it takes a while to fix the damage that's occurred over decades worth of living. At this point, you now have a tool to do that. So I will talk to you soon, and I just wanted to get this out there because I'm getting a lot of messages about people having a hard time getting past day 5. And this is pretty typical, as this is when this healing and repairing process tends to really kick into full gear. So don't be too dissuaded by it. It's just natural, it's just your body taking care of the issues.